Oh. Hello, miss.
Why did you call me miss?
Oh, sorry, I have a cold. Pray, is it Bolton?
No! It's Ipswich.
Ipswich, but it said on the door that it's...
No, joking, it's Bolton.
Okay, but why did you tell me it was Ipswich?
It was a pun!
A pun?
Wait, not a pun, what did you call the thing that spells forwards the same as backwards?
A palindrome.
Yeah, it was a palindrome.
But it's not a palindrome. A palindrome of Bolton would be not low. And no, it's not right.
Well, what do you want?
You know, I refuse to pursue this line of inquiry as long as it's getting too silly, you know?
Yep, far too silly. Let's do the next sketch.
Yeah, better prepare the next sketch.
Can I help you with the thing?
Sure.